Are you struggling to find a post or a reel that you liked a very long time ago on Instagram? Well, don't worry, I will teach you how to find them. Whether it was today, yesterday, or a year ago, you can find all of them, so follow my steps. Firstly, make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. After that, open your Instagram app and log in to your account. Now you will see this home page, and from the bottom right corner, you will see your profile logo. Tap there. This will bring you to your profile page section. Now from the top right, you need to tap the three lines. As you can see, there are a lot of options, but we need to visit this option called your activity. From here, you will need to tap likes, and this is where you will find all your liked videos, posts, or reels. Here you can see liked posts from oldest to newest or newest to oldest. And if you have a particular day in mind for which you need to check your liked posts, you can select it from this button and then tap this option called Date Range. Now you need to select the start date and end date as you wish. So here's how you find videos, posts, or reels on Instagram. Thanks for watching.